welcome to the Lucy Double D channel. I'm Lucy, and today we're going to be making birthday slime, because my birthday's in 2 more days. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Now, let's get started. I'm going to show you the ingredients we need. We need cornstarch, a spoon, a measuring cup, paint, glue, glitter, and activator or borax. So first, we are going to measure 15 of the glue. My glue's not coming out. Okay, now it's coming. Tell me when to stop. Okay, I think you need to squeeze. It's taking a long time for the glue to come out.
Whoa. Did you say 15, Lucy K?
Yes, I said 15. Is that enough? I think we're going to use up all the glue.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we're gonna pour it in. Scoop some out with our spoon.
So that's sticky and slimy. Why isn't that slime?
Because we need to activate it. And then we are going to add 25 of water room temperature.
We forgot the water.
Is that 25? Okay. Then we're gonna pour it in with the glue, and then we're gonna mix it. Then we are gonna put in as much glitter as you want. Can you hold that? Okay, as much glitter as you want. I'm just stop.
Whoa.
I'm just gonna put a little bit of glitter in. Good. Can I have a paper towel? Then have to clean this after.
Messy.
Glitter everywhere. Okay, I'll wash my hands. Okay, and then you're gonna put in some cornstarch. See, open this.
How much is that?
Just as much as you think you need.
Using your fingers, huh? Ooh. Super hygienic.
It's gonna be really messy.
There's definitely going to be glitter in this cornstarch now.
Oh yeah.
Luckily, no one uses cornstarch for anything ever.
And put the cap on. Then.
Do you want to take a break to wash your hands?
Yeah.
I'll entertain the audience.
Shit.
Do 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 do. Do 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 beep 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 do 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 da 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 boing boing.
Back. Now we are gonna put in a spoon of any color of paint. Then we are gonna mix it. And then we're gonna mix all of it together. Then we are gonna put a little bit of activator in.
Excuse me.
Start off with a little bit, because if you add too much, you can't take any away. I'm using a lot of activator.
It's very soupy.
And if you need more paint, you can add. And if it's still soupy, you can add more paint.
I think you need more glue. I think that's why it's so
I'm
soupy.
gonna paint. Paint doesn't just make the color. It helps with the thickness.
Wait for more glue.
Just a little bit.
Oh, it's gonna take some time.
Okay, it's not coming out. And if you keep adding paint and glue, it should turn out right at some point.
I'm gonna cut this open loose, and this will be like the end of it. Is that okay?
Okay. So are we going to use all of that?
What's that, kiddo?
Are we going to use all of that?
Yeah. Or do you not want me to?
Not all of it, really. I'm just going to keep adding paint. Now it should be turning out good. So, bye everyone!